Am I the only one that didn't know AI startups are pulling in billions in 2024? Let's dive in. 2024 is the year AI funding skyrocketed. US startups are raising billions, and it's not slowing down. From OpenAI leading the charge with a jaw-dropping $6.6 billion, to EvenUp shaking up legal tech with $135 million, AI is transforming every corner of our world. In just Q3 alone, venture funding hit over $18.9 billion. Say hello to Poolside with $500 million, Kobold Metals raking in $491.5 million, and Safe Superintelligence securing a cool $1 billion. Glean is making waves with $260 million, and Magic, a magical $320 million. These startups are the real game changers. Investors are betting big, and you should too. AI fatigue? Not for these power players. Stay ahead of the curve by knowing the biggest names in AI. OpenAI, EvenUp, Glean, Kobold Metals, and many more are leading the charge. Who will be the next AI unicorn? Keep your eyes on these startups, because the future is now.